Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we're doing, well, as you can see, we're doing another layout. Yes, it's another layout for me to build. But yes, this one I have actually had planned for quite a while, but I've been putting it off because, well, I didn't really have the space for it. But since I've sold some layouts, well, I've got space to build this one. Though I have changed it since the original design, as originally it wasn't going to be a folding layout, but since the success of my first folding layout, I figured, yeah, let's have a go at making this one into a folding layout as well. But yeah, the name of this one is New Leycastle. I generated a name from a name generator, so don't ask me about the name. But yeah, it seemed like a nice name for a layout. So yeah, here is the track plan which I'll be using. As you can see, you've got a big cut in the middle for working out where all the points are going. But yeah, it's a 3-track layout. So we've got the main line going around the outside, and then we've got I don't want to say it's a branch line, but I've got a goods line going around the inside, and a little bit of shunting in the middle. The station will be over this side, and town in the middle there, and little scenery around the outside, the usual stuff. But yeah, this will be a folding layout. However, it'll be the frame will be on the other side of the layout, so it won't be like St Deanna's where the frame is around the layout. The frame for this one will be on the other side, so it'll be a bit more traditional folding out. So hopefully that makes sense. It'll make more sense when I've finished it. But anyway, I've got all my tools. I've got my wood as well. So got it is 4 foot by 2.5, if I remember right. No, 2.8. 2 foot 8. Sorry, I forgot about that. Got one bit of wood here. Got these from Wicks, £4 each, quite useful. And yeah, I've got 4 more of them over here. Was it 5? No, 4. Screws, saw, screwdriver, and a drill, and a pencil, which is always going to be useful. That's the lens cap. That can live over there. But yeah, today I'm just going to be putting the bit of wood together. Oh, and I've also got a hinge somewhere over there behind me, but that's staying over there till I need it. But yeah, plan today is just stick all the bits of wood together, get the hinge on, make sure it all folds nicely, and then call it a day then. And that's my printer going off, because but wait for it to do. There we go. Damn printers. Anyway, but yeah, I'm going to be knackered after doing all this, because well, I'm doing it using hand saw because I can't use any other saw, and plus it's, well, I'm inside, so yeah, I don't want to use anything mechanical in here. But yeah, it shouldn't take me too long, hopefully. I've only got a couple of hours because I don't want to annoy anybody. But yeah, let's see how we get on. So yeah, I'm going to sort of rapidly on and get on with it. So I'll see you in a bit. pretty much it all done for now. Let's push it back a bit. Yeah, that's knackering. Yeah, that's the baseboard all done, apart from one small bit, but I'll go on to that in a moment. But yeah, it's turned out quite nicely. Put that there. But yeah, it does fold up, as you can see. There we go. We've got plenty of space down here to put all the scenery and the track. So up we go. Yeah, very happy with that. Right, now the bit which doesn't quite work, which is this little latch here. I did actually get two of them, but yeah, well, that's one of the problems. Is that it doesn't quite slide over, and when it does, it doesn't quite lock the layout in well, in place. Luckily it's heavy enough that it doesn't actually bother it too much, but yeah, I do want something a bit more beefier instead of these little latches here. Can I get that working? Use my foot. There we go. And yeah, I'll show you what happens. Yeah. It takes no notice of it whatsoever. So yeah, I didn't bother fitting the second one on, so yeah. I've just left it off for now, and I'll take this one off when I get the replacement one. So it's probably going to be longer ones, because hopefully that will work a bit better. It's either that or I'll get some latches like which I've got on my other folding layout. I think I have got some spare of them, but I want to use them for keeping the layout all folded up. So one there and put another one on the other side. And if you're wondering why these bits are like that, well, that's because I want to avoid all the screws on the other part of the baseboard. So yeah. Don't worry, there will be a back scene to cover that up, and this will be covered up in scenery as well, so yeah, you wouldn't be able to notice, hopefully. But yeah, that's pretty much done for now. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day and have a rest, but that's going to be it for now. So, hope you all look forward to more episodes of the new Leycastle layout, which I have actually worked out the name beforehand. Actually, let me show the old version of it. Yeah, the old version used to look like that, but yeah, that wouldn't have worked as a folding layout, so I simplified it and got rid of that turntable because yeah, yeah, turntables annoy me, so yeah, I decided to bid it farewell. But anyway, that's going to be it for me. If you liked the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But yeah, that'll be it for me, and I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye bye.